Now we want to case in the collar. And for this you need to turn the coat entirely inside out. Place the centre back of the lining and the centre back of the shell on top of each other. Put the shoulder seams on top of each other. And now simply pin from one end to the other. And again, it's very similar to when you first put the collar end. You can never have enough pins for this, so this is not the time to sort of think, oh yeah, I'm going to just sew across this. You want to pin this very well because you don't want to unpick any of this. And again, check very carefully as you go along that you have no pleats underneath it. Make sure it's nice and straight. Now you can take your pins out, but you also want to release the fabric a bit. So I'm snipping the shoulder seams, and I'm also cutting back seam allowances. And finally, to make sure that it's not tight when you turn it, we're snipping, because there's a tiny little curve on every collar and it will be a bit tight if you don't do this. Turn it inside out and it's done.